My name is Kiana Garza, and I am a Doctor of Chiropractic student. So today I'm going to explain what chiropractic means. Chiropractic deals with the joints of the body, and specific the vertebral column, which would be our spine. Um, the spine is the main focus because through the spine is where all of our neural pathways travel, and also major blood vessels as well. So think about it this way. Think of a water hose, and whenever that water hose has no interruption within it, the flow of the water can readily stream out of the water hose without any impediment to the force of the water. Now, think of whenever you're using a water hose and it coils and the water pressure lessens tremendously or altogether completely stops, even with the faucet being on. The water hose is restricted in the amount of water and the force that it can allow the water to stream out of the hose. That analogy, we can apply it to subluxations in the vertebral column or the joints. So a subluxation would be, think of it in the reference that I just made with the water hose. So when the water hose is coiled in a way, that would be an analogy for a subluxation of the joints in the spine or the extremities as well. So whenever a subluxation occurs, which is pretty common, our health can be compromised in the form of headaches. We can have pain elicit in our bodies, and also many other complications that may arise that would impede our health otherwise if there was not a subluxation present. So subluxations would be the body being hindered from working at its capacity, at its full optimal capacity. So chiropractors come in and they are specialists of joints. So their job is to make sure that we are in correct alignment and our joints are in correct alignment. That way that our body can respond as it should in an optimal way. So that is what chiropractors do, or a simplified version of why chiropractic would be beneficial to people who have problems with their health or are experiencing pain that they cannot explain sometimes. A lot of times, pain is the last symptom to occur in a individual. Pain is the last manifestation to a problem that is being communicated within the body. So we want to go in there and correct subluxations, that way the body can perform as it should without restrictions, and that we can feel and operate at our most optimal.